More new stock here at Ross & Park Motors, and today we've got a very nice Citroen DS4. This is a D-Style. It is the 160 brake horsepower 2 litre one, so it's the fast one. Very, very nice car. It's done 105,000 miles. Drives nicely. Now we will be putting a clutch and dual mass flywheel in this one. We've got a little bit of a rattle from it every now and again, so that'll all be done before it goes. It will come with a service. It will come with anything else done to it that it needs doing to make it right. It's clean and tidy. High spec with the nice seats. Sat nav, climate, aircon, cruise control, Bluetooth, electric windows, electric mirrors. Very, very good spec. A little bit rare, these 160 ones. There's plenty of 1.6s, but not so many of the 2 litre 160 brake horsepower ones, so don't leave it too long if you are interested in it. So it will come with a service, a new MOT, new clutch and flywheel. All pictures on the website, that's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or give me a call, that's 07868 722 133.